Welcome back, everyone. It's Albert Lebel, and I got a challenge locking device made by the one and only Daz Evers. And I got to tell you, Daz Evers can make one hell of a challenge lock. This one here is number 84, as it says on the key tag. If I can find it, here it is. As it says on the key tag, the key's still mummified, so we won't jack with that until we're done, if we get her done. But I was curious because I know I picked several of Daz Evers locks, and 84 sounded familiar. So I went through my logbook, and I come to realize that I picked his number 53 on video 34. This one here didn't have at least I didn't write a name for it. Maybe it didn't have a name or whatever, but it was on number 40, video number 48. His lock number 54. Which one did I say this was? 84. So lock number 54 I did on video 56. Lock number 52 I did on video 77. Lock number 70 I did on video 99. 59 video 107. 85 video 132. And 53 on video 168. Pretty damn cool, right? It's a lot of locks, man. And I mean, obviously he's made a lot more than this. I just had the wonderful opportunity to pick these so far. And like I said, he makes a hell of a challenge lock, and I've had a couple of them that just kicked my ass, literally. This one here, I do have my shotgun in there still, I think. Because I was... Oh, no, I don't. Because I did try it a bit ago, and I was able to get it open, and it kind of surprised me. But this is a Schleg, and I've gotten pretty damn good at Schleg, so maybe that's why. But we're going to go ahead and get zoomed in here a lot of bit and see if we can't get it picked on camera. So we'll go with top of the keyway. It's a Schleg, and I will drop my shotgun in the bottom because again it's a Schleg. And top of the keyway, and see if we can't get something. Make sure it's all locked back up, as you can see. Alright, so let's see if we can't do this bad boy on camera. I'm starting it back, I guess. Looking for the first binder right there. I think it was like 3-ish. Counter rotation. Yep, felt like 2. Nothing up front yet. 2. A little bit more, I think, on 3. Huh. I don't know if that was good or bad, but I did something in the back. Let's find out. Sure is a lot of popping and clicking. Up front now. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a whole lot on 4. 5. 6. 5. Again on 4. There's something nasty in there, I'll tell you that. It feels like it. I don't know. It feels like 2 wants something, but I don't know. Maybe we should try it. Nope. Maybe not. I'm going to let that drop. They could be just overset traps that I'm clicking into. That happens. Yeah. Could be. Okay, now we just went into a deeper false set, so we're somewhere. We're somewhere. I don't know where. It may not be good. I might have just put myself into a irreversible trap. Let me see what wants to play here. Two. One, two, three, four. Yeah, I think we're stuck in a trap. There we go. Boom. Yeah, there's some funkiness in there. All right. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Love it. All right, let's get backed out. Yeah, it's not every day I get to pick one of Daz Evers' locks. They usually just make me suffer. But it's that good suffering, you know. All right, let's bring the camera down over here. Get us a pin and tray down here. All right, bada boom, bada bing. Wonderful, wonderful. So it's not a deep false set. It is actually way open. You know what? I guess we could cut the key open. Make sure it works. I'm sure it does, but maybe we can just tear it open. Yeah, okay. See what we got under the black wrapper of death. Let's see. Oh, it's pretty flat. See, I wouldn't have expected that really. Well, fairly flat. Nice. Works like butter, as you would expect. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, so let's see. We got a clippy clip on the back. We're going to use, let's use this dude maybe. Sometimes you can just grab the side of it and push it right out. If you can grab it. Like that. Boom. All right. Oh, alrighty. Key. Bada boom, bada bing, baby. Shim, shim. Long enough. Nice. Let's see what we got. 6-pinner. All pinned up. Oh yeah, I see it looks like a couple of them, T-pin key pins. Must have been that false set I was in, at least part of the reason. Alright. Nice. Yep, here's one of them in number 2. Got like T-pin key pins. 3 looks like a standard. Maybe keep things lined up a little bit. 4. 5. 5's a deep spool of a key pin, and 6 is a really cool looking, like conical shaped T-pin type key pin. All right, some eyes on here, and I see some magic in the core. We've got threading in 1, 2, and 5, and then we got undercuts in 3 and 4. Well done too. Yep, pretty good, because they're nice and sharp on the lip. That's hard to do. You got to be real careful. A lot of people tend to want to tilt the tool over while you're doing the undercut, and you basically burrow out the whole entire hole and jack it up. But as you can see, these are well done. Beautiful. Just beautiful work. Fantastic. Fantastic. All right. Excuse me. Going upstairs. The front is not marked. We can somewhat tell, but I'm going to mark it anyways. just so I put it back exactly the way I got it. All right. The camera good? Yeah, we're good. All right. Nicely serrated in one. This one looks like a, oh, it was part of the spring I was looking at. Serrated in two. Really deep serrated, 1 and 3. Smaller spring. Wow, really sweet looking one in number 4 there. Beautiful. Looks like he had another different kind of spring. More serrations, number 5. And number 6, last but not least. Beautiful, man. God, he does good work. You can tell when someone takes their time and to make a beautiful lock. You can tell. I can tell. Alright, let's see. Anything up here? Nope. No mods to the Bible are upstairs there. Okay, sweet. Daz Evers, number 84. 84. Beautiful, just beautiful. Let me get my cardboard table over here and take a close-up on these bad boys right here. All right. Yeah, buddy. All right, we got on the key pins, we've got this multi-serrated, really cool, and I think it reduces towards the top. It does look like it, but those are sharp right there. I tell you that right now. They're like blades. 2 is this, like I said, it's almost like a bald T-pin. I hope the camera's picking that up good. It's really beautiful. 3 standard, 4 a single serration, 5 is this, it's a spool, but it's got like a, almost like an hourglass in it. And then 6, that was 5, so 6 is again like this number 2 pin, but a longer version of it. Really cool looking deal. Drivers, we got this multi-serrated in 1, same in 2. I'd call that a double spool in 3. And I'd call this a spool here in 4 with some design to it, because that's going to act more like a spool because it's wide. 5 double serrated, and 6 again, it's kind of like it's going to act like a spool, but it's also got a ring around the middle. I don't think that's floating, is it? No. Still cool though, and all the springs do vary, obviously. All right, thank you so much, Daz, for pinning that one up and pinning up all the other locks you do. For doing so much for the community. Thank you all so much for watching. Please comment. I love your comments. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If not, don't. If you're not subscribed yet, though, I think you're crazy. I think you should. All right. Thank you all so much for watching. Big Al, signing out.